Welcome back, everyone. Lighting ESL. The letter H. H. Now, normally you think of the word H as sound of ha, ha, but it's pronounced, remember, H. Like think of the number 8 and sh together. H, H, H. That's how we pronounce the letter H. The letter H is used in many words like happy, happening, hysterical, hope. Notice the sound of ha, ha, hope, happening. That's right. In some words, the letter is totally silent, like the word light, L-I-G-H-T. Yeah, but at the beginning of the word, it might have a h sound, like happening, like happy. The letter is H, H, not H, H. Think of the number 8 and sh together, H, H. Till next time, bye-bye.